Is it recording?
Yes.
Good morning. I'm doing a review today on a cereal. Thank God there's some left. We like it that much. It's the Chex peanut butter gluten-free cereal. It's 1 pound 4 ounces, or 20 ounces altogether. They did it that way. Sweetened corn cereal with real peanut butter. And this is what's left of it, because my son and I like it so much. Smells like real peanut butter. It's not even a bowl, but that's okay. It's only a taste test, or a review. Okay, so each bowl is 1 cup. 1 cup is a serving. Okay, so there's 3 cups in there, probably 3 cups. And it's 180 calories per cup. With milk, it's 210 per cup. 2 times 3 is 6. 630 grams. 630 calories that I'll be eating today. Fat is 6%, 4.5 grams. Saturated fat is 0.5 grams, that's 3%. Trans fat, 0. There's other fats in there that I don't know how to pronounce. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 270 milligrams, which is 12% without milk and 14% with milk. Carbohydrates. Where is it? Just had it. 32 grams. That's 11% without milk and 13% with milk. Dietary fiber, 2%, which is 7% both ways. Total sugar, 9 grams. Additional sugars, what? Added sugars. Include added sugar. What's the other sugars? 18%. Protein, 3 grams. And then it has a list of all the vitamins. It's not 25% like Total does, That was my favorite cereal when I was younger. But what is 25 is zinc. So, yeah. Okay. That's what it looks like. I'll put it over here. I'm drinking iced tea. It's a little bit dark. I made it strong. Yeah, that's strong. Oh, the texture, before I get it wet. The texture. You can feel the peanut butter on these, okay? And it smells like peanut butter. Tastes like peanut butter. Oh my God. Okay. This is my 3rd bowl that I've had since I bought that. My son only had 2 bowls. So that box will give you approximately 5 bowls of a medium size. Okay. This is better than Captain Crunch peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cereal. Much better. It has less sugar, I believe, in those too. I don't know if you guys could hear the crunch. Really good, guys. Go ahead and try it. You won't be disappointed. Peanut butter. Perfect balance. Okay. I just was walking in the store to get a few food items for the week, and I saw that. It wasn't even in the cereal aisle. It was by the frozen section. And I just... Sorry, that's my cat playing with the toy. I just had to try it, and I'm glad I did. Really good. Okay. Go ahead. Go out and try it. And thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for me. Okay? Thanks. Bye.